Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your measurement in Google Docs from inches to centimeters. Let's get started. First, let's open a document on Google Docs and look at the page setup. We will see that the measurement used here is in inches, so let's change that to centimeters. Click on your profile picture here on the top right corner and select Manage your Google account. Next, just scroll down here on the search bar and type in language. Click on this pencil icon and type in English. Then just scroll down until you see United Kingdom. Click it and click on Save, and the page will refresh itself. So let's go back now and let's refresh our document here, and we will see that the measurement was changed to centimeters. And that is how you can switch from inches to centimeters in Google Docs. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.